Good morning. Um, so my project is on the courtroom. Um, Everybody's job in the courtroom, and what I basically summed up is, um, it's the fact that we were asked for the plaintiff, the respondent, the accused, the prosecutor, the defense attorney, the judge, all of the good stuff. Um, Basically, I want to start off with the first one. The plaintiff is a person who initiates a lawsuit in front of a court. For example, the plaintiff could be a landlord suing for damages of his or her property. Um, that's basically the role of the plaintiff. The respondent is a party that the petition is filed against. The accused is a person that's accused of a crime but not yet found guilty and is able to have a trial. He has a right to a speedy trial and to prove his or her innocence in the courtroom. The prosecutor is the legal representative on a case against the accused that committed a crime. The defense attorney is the person that is an advocate for the accused, and his job is to protect his client's interest, whether it's a civil or a criminal case. The judge, his role is to oversee the courtroom from his or her desk. Um, he has 5 tasks. The 5 tasks, which is he makes sure that order is being maintained in the courtroom, to make sure that the evidence is being used in each case is not illegal, that he gives the jury instructions or directions before proceeding to deliberate in bench trials. Everything must be determined off of facts and decided in the case, and to give an appropriate sentence to the convicted criminal defendants. The victim is the person that the crime was committed against. And, like, for example, if a person was badly injured by another person, that person that was attacked or the person that was stolen from is automatically the victim, and they deserve to have this case justified in their favor. The witness is a person that is brought forth to testify on a case or a criminal case. For example, a fight down the street a fight that occurred down that person's street that they witnessed, and they witnessed someone get badly injured or killed. They can be the one to stand in front of the jury in the courtroom and testify about what they saw and what happened, and what all the circumstances that happened that led up to things happening the way it did. The police is their responsibility in the court is to, if they need to, is to testify on a case or situation. For example, if the court goes to trial on a criminal case against a woman that her children, one of her children were deceased, and the police job in the court is to testify about what they saw, on that day, and what they saw, what they, observed in the household, what what the child looked like, and all this other stuff. And the members of the jury, they are randomly selected from a list of certified registered voters from the state of Florida. Their job and responsibility is to listen to the evidence and arguments between the lawyers of the accused, and after the closing arguments, they leave for and they lead to deliberate and come back with a decision of guilty or not guilty, which is, you know, rather it's a criminal case. Their job is to find the come out the with the guilty or not guilty. In some cases, juries do go and deliberate, and in some cases, they are deadlocked on a decision whether to put this or to find this person guilty or not guilty, or if that's not the case, they could be deadlocked. They found the person guilty, but they deadlocked on the sentence. So, basically, that's the whole proceedings of a court, the courtroom and the parts being played in the courtroom. Thank you for your time.